Namaste from my group members and me to everyone. I'm Angel Chinmeijiet, the group leader from Designology group.
Hi, my name is Ellie. As the world has become increasingly digital, there has been a drastic change in the way how people live and socialize. So technology not only benefits us from improving our lifestyle, it also helps to increase job productivity and quality in every field. So from this statement, this means that the existence of the latest technology in every field, especially in design industries, has played a very important role as a support despite in any situations. So for instance, currently we are facing an ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease, as known as COVID-19, since December 2019 until now. Since this disease will spread among people during close contact by airborne, activities that involve with a huge crowd, either outdoor or indoor, will be cancelled for safety reasons. Therefore, in this video, we will explain how designers from industrial, fashion, and graphic fields use virtual reality, or VR for short, to solve and overcome this problem.
Coronavirus pandemic, also called COVID-19, is without doubt one of the most historical events that could represent year 2020 any better than others. It is one of the worst pandemic we mankind has to face in the whole human history. Its destructive power have made everything we think that is normal before have to come to a stop, including industrial design. This is because product designer can go to their company again to do their design work, and also they can attend design conference to launch or to exhibit their products to others. And even though currently we have online exhibition, it still cannot satisfy or give us the amazingness feeling that we attend a real world.
So hopes comes, the VR can be the best solution to solve the issue in industrial design, as the VR allows customers to look through the newly launched product in 3D form, which bring the closest experience to the customer as in the real world. With the aid of body motion sensor in VR, people are even allowed to control the images of the product to show its structure, prototype, and with the addition of virtual character explaining to them about the product. This allows people to have better understanding of the product, at the same time having advanced level of experiencing VR, solving risks from current global pandemic.
Fashion is an industry that runs on change with new trends, style, and a whole new range offered up every season. Twice a year in Paris, the luxury fashion houses of the world present their ready-to-wear clothing for the coming season. This creates an international traveling circus of all these who involved in the fashion show. This year, the caravan's arrival in Milan in mid-February intersected with an outbreak of COVID-19. This is where the problem arises. On the first day of the shows, the number of cases of coronavirus was just 14, but it increased to more than 200 cases on the last day of the show. Other than that, the fashion designer students also cannot attend any fashion show or workshop to complete their assignment, so a solution is needed to solve this problem.
The solution of the problem is using virtual reality VR based on fashion design during this crisis, which is preventing physical contact between designer and manufacturers, has inevitably turned to digital and virtual fashions. Video are the most developed technique for viewing fashion shows remotely, but there is opportunity for more creativity and explorations. The conference will be taking place within engaged, immersive VR education enables the educator and companies to host meetings, presentations, classes, and events with people across the world. Using VR on fashions will have clear sustainability benefits, enabling customers to buy fantastical outfits to express their identities on social media. Without wearing an outfit once then consigning into landfill, a trend that has become prevalent on social media.
Hi, I'm Hi Filda, so I'm going to explain to you about the problem that we face in graphic design due to the current issue, which is pandemic COVID-19. So as we all know, due to Corona, a lot of design program can be held. Quarantine has changed the life of almost every person. A lot of families lost their job and therefore stable income. Coronavirus is directly affecting the education system. As we know, in school and universities, all deadlines are set in a year in advance. And because of the coronavirus pandemic, students cannot sort out their subjects. Universities have changed the dates of tests and exams, and all studies have been transferred online. So the problem that graphic students face is graphic students cannot exhibit their artwork. They are unable to make use of on-campus equipment.
All the issues that the global pandemic has caused, actually VR would be the best solution to all these problems. In terms of 3D mockups, immersive branding, commercials, and applying visual effects, VR can help a lot. In terms of 3D mockups, with AR, designers are able to go over all of the 3D designs and check their mockups easily. This includes designs of all kinds, such as brochures, books, book covers, labels, billboards, and many more. And in terms of immersive branding, designers all around the world are already using VR to develop a more immersive branding experience. With VR, we will be able to engage audiences in the story behind the product or business in a more effective way. Thirdly, for commercials, VR gives advertisement companies and industries a new platform to interact with their target audience. In this aspect, graphic designers will be here to provide the designs as well as offer creative suggestions to further increase the engagement with the audience. And lastly, in terms of applying visual effects, VR can let users have a better understanding in distance. With VR, designers establish space and distance more efficiently and thus give a better quality in visual effects.
What is VR? The term virtual reality refers to a modern technologies that provide an immersive interactive experience using the 3 or higher dimension computer, so based on the graphic image. So this technology creates an artificial environment with the help of the computer hardware and software, and is presented to the user in a way which stimulates the real world. In a nutshell, it was proven that the existence of the VR in design industry really helped the designer to overcome their problems that were caused by the pandemic period. So with VR, their productivity and progressions were increased. Other than VR, there is also a lot of creative and alternative ways to undergo similar activity that was mentioned earlier, such as doing live using the social media platform or website. That's all for on our group. Thank you and stay safe.